Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's topic, which is regarding Cardano. First and foremost, just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys showing tremendous amount of support, and just wanted to let you know that it is appreciated and it goes a long way and kind of lets me know that you guys want to see continuation of these updates. So thanks once again, and let's waste no more time and get right into today's topic, which is regarding Cardano. If we're looking at the price of Cardano right now, it is currently trading at 40 cents. This time around, we are down about 0.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 0.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're shifting our focus to the market cap this time around is about $14 billion, so currently sitting at $14.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $400 million. But you know what you're here for? You're here for the price analysis and see what's happening with the price of Cardano and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So let's shift our focus on Bitcoin first, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is the king of the markets, and we need to examine the price of Bitcoin on a daily basis to see what's happening, because that gives us the best understanding as what's likely going to happen in the immediate short term for altcoins. And in this case, we're talking about Cardano. If we're looking at the price of Bitcoin is still holding really strong, guys, in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level at $30,000. And the strength that Bitcoin just has for itself is absolutely insane, and this was not a surprise to any one of us. The power Bitcoin has shown us this year, especially during this time around. What's happening around the globe, massive financial crisis. Inflation is going throughout the roof. So Bitcoin, what it was built for, it's doing that, and it's showing us that. So right now we did see a little bit of a cool off happen within the price of Bitcoin. Obviously Bitcoin went up to $30,500, but seeing a little minor retracement. And you're looking at the BTC dominance, same thing over here, guys. If we are seeing Bitcoin go down and we're also seeing BTC dominance a little bit going down, this can impact altcoins in the immediate short term. And that's, if you look across the board, majority of the altcoins are down, but now you can make the statement if some of them are up. The reason being, money's not flowing out of Bitcoin right now. People are shifting their profits into altcoins right now from Bitcoin. Hence, we are seeing a little bit of a dominance pull down. If this remained at the top and Bitcoin were to see a retracement that it's seeing right now, all of the majority, again 98% of the altcoins in the markets right now would have been down. But both both Bitcoin dominance and BTC down, meaning money's not flowing out of the markets, it's staying in the markets. So some of the altcoins are getting the money into them. But focusing on Cardano, let me show you guys something. This is exactly what I want you guys to pay attention to. Look at the hourly time frame. Once again, just yesterday or last night, we did see the price of Cardano wick below this support line, which was a massive level of resistance, which I've been telling you guys that we need to stay above. But look at this beautiful bounce back towards the upside. We did not go down for too long. It was just a wick towards the downside, obviously, after Bitcoin saw a little bit of a retracement. But if you had some buy orders placed in around that 38.9 cents mark, you are already up about 3.2%. So that was not a bad move to pick up. But what I'm trying to say is, this time around we're seeing the strength that Cardano has for itself. And I've been saying, and I'll say it again, I really do believe Cardano is on its way to hit a new yearly high, and a new yearly high would be obviously above 42 cents. And in order for us to break out of this downwards trend, I've mentioned to you guys before, we need to break out of that 43.79 cents mark. And from what it's looking like right now, we could possibly hit that very soon. This time around, guys, it's about 10% away for us to go above that range, so that's not too far. But this time around, guys, I'm just sensing something different. And if like I said, if ADA were to hit a new yearly high in the next maybe 24 to 48 hours, I really do believe things can start looking quite well. And again, guys, this is just another opportunity for a lot of my viewers, a lot of the Cardano community members. If you guys believe in Cardano's vision, you guys believe Cardano is going to be double digits next bull cycle, or close to double digits, and you're looking at it at 40 cents, now might be the time to be dollar cost averaging in. But as I say that does not mean you allocate all your funds. Let's say you have $1,000 that you are willing to afford to lose. That does not mean you just put the entire 1,000. It's always important to diversify, have some large cap coins, have some low cap, mid cap, and kind of keeps a balance of your portfolio and also decreases the risk factor involved. My stance on Cardano, I believe Cardano is going to shock a lot of people this next peak of the bull run. And obviously we still have a lot of time to go, and on our way up, it's going to be a nice steady rise towards the upside, but a lot of people are going to be looking back at these prices and wishing they were picking it up around here, and I'm very optimistic on that. Like I said, once we get into this, mainly in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, that's where the FOMO, in my personal opinion, is going to begin, right here, this blue zone. And we still have some time to go around there, around like 80%. Let's look at it to be exact. That is still a move of about roughly 76%. So we still have some time to go to that spot. But this is where, if you were to ask me where the FOMO will begin, I'm personally projecting that to happen in this blue zone, because this would mean that this consolidation phase that we are in, even though we are below this level of resistance, even though we're above this level of resistance right now, we're still in a consolidation phase, guys, because the consolidation phase has been below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So once we go above there, that's when the fireworks really do begin, in my personal opinion. But like I said, only time is going to tell. In this meantime, have an exit strategy in place. And also, I've been getting a lot of requests, to kind of talk about exit strategy, what it's all about. The amount of requests that's coming. What I'm doing is I'm working on the side. I'm making like a full-on guide. What is an exit strategy, why it's important, giving you guys like different scenarios. So I'm working on that. That is going to be available maybe in the next week or so, which is going to be available to be purchased. It's going to be very affordable, considering the amount of profits you can make, having an exit strategy and learning about it. And obviously, if you're a supporter on my channel, that would obviously help my channel also if you do purchase that. It's only going to be maybe $7 to $10, around that range. And also let me know if you guys are looking forward to that. But thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It's Crypto ZX, and peace out.